Hello, welcome. I'm Laura, and I'm going to take you on a property tour of a home that is located in a prestigious part of Park City known as Promontory. Now this home is a 7,000 square foot residence, and it stands as a masterpiece up on the hill. It's a beautiful design and it has great craftsmanship. Now this home was designed by Habitations Design Group, and it was brought to life with a collaborative effort of Randall Brothers Construction and Branham and Company. And this home is fully handicapped accessible, and it's actually for sale at the time that I'm doing this recording. Now the inside has an open floor plan that is functional and inviting. The main living area features soaring ceilings, a grand fireplace, and elegant finishes that enhance the home's contemporary charm. Now the gourmet kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, custom cabinets, and behind the kitchen is a beautiful scullery area with lots of storage space, and it also has its own appliances as well. Now there are multiple living spaces throughout this home, including a cozy keeping room and a versatile entertainment area downstairs where there are daylight windows there in the basement. The deck has a fireplace with breathtaking views, and there's so much more to this awesome home. Now it's hard for me to just narrow down and pinpoint what my favorite features are, so I will let you know that I do have a long list, but some of my favorite features are the automated blinds, the whole house sound system, and how the indoor living spaces are integrated with the outdoor area. I am excited to read what your favorite features are down in the comments, so please make sure you drop me a comment and check out the description of this video. Sometimes I leave additional information that is helpful and useful that you might find interesting. Meanwhile, I hope you enjoyed this tour. Make sure you ring the bell, subscribe, so that you don't miss out on any future videos, and sit back, relax. I'll see you on the next video.